Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your PayPal Know Your Customer, or KYC, information. This crucial process ensures your account complies with financial regulations and unlocks all of PayPal's features, including increased sending and receiving limits. To start, simply log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Account Limits section, which is typically found in the top right corner or within your profile menu. This is where your verification journey begins. The next step involves gathering the necessary documents. You'll typically need two main types: a valid government-issued photo identification and proof of your current address. For identification, a passport or driver's license is usually accepted. For proof of address, a utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months works well. Make sure all documents are clear, unexpired, and that the names and addresses precisely match your PayPal account details to avoid any delays. Once your documents are ready, you'll proceed to upload them through PayPal's secure portal. The system will provide clear, step-by-step instructions, often asking for both the front and back of your identification. Carefully follow these prompts to ensure everything is submitted correctly. After successfully uploading, PayPal's team will review your information. This verification process usually takes approximately 1 to 3 business days, so please be patient during this period. You will receive a notification once it's complete. To ensure a smooth verification, here are a few helpful tips. Always double-check that your uploaded document images are clear, high resolution, and that all text is perfectly readable. A common reason for rejection is expired documents or discrepancies between the document details and your PayPal account information. If you face any challenges or have specific questions during the process, do not hesitate to reach out to PayPal's dedicated customer support team. They are there to assist you every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.